Tired of seeing your PayPal balance, but not being able to easily use it for your everyday expenses here in the Philippines? Today, we're unlocking the simple secret of transferring money from your PayPal to your Gcash account, making digital payments a breeze. Let's dive in. First, log into your PayPal account and navigate to your wallet. This is where you'll manage your linked bank accounts and cards. If you haven't already, you need to link your Gcash account. Click on Link a Bank Account or Card. You'll be linking it as a bank account. Now, search for Gcash. Sometimes it might appear as Gcash GXJ. Select a correct option. You'll then be prompted to enter your Gcash account details. Be extremely careful here. The account name should match the name registered to your Gcash, and the account number is your mobile number registered to Gcash. Double check everything before proceeding. Once your Gcash account is linked and confirmed, go back to your PayPal balance and click on Transfer Funds. Choose your linked Gcash account as the destination for the transfer. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Before confirming, pay close attention to any fees associated with the transfer and the estimated processing time. PayPal usually charges a small fee for withdrawals to bank accounts, and it can take 13 business days for the funds to appear in your Gcash. If everything looks good, hit confirm. You might receive a verification code on your phone or email to finalize the transaction. And that's it. Keep an eye on your Gcash account. The funds should arrive within the estimated time frame. If you encounter any issues, contact PayPal or Gcash customer support for assistance. Now you can easily access your PayPal funds through Gcash.